Hey guys, so that 90s show part 3 is up on Netflix right now, and I'm really excited about it. I directed all the episodes and I had so much fun doing it. It was also really great to be able to direct so many in a row and be able to really do some inside baseball stuff from being in that basement myself for so long, for so many years. And all those sets I really hope that there's some fun Easter eggs for you guys. Some fans of 70s show that you'll find in 90s show. I had so much fun doing it, and it was just so lovely to be able to bring back just some fun stuff we would do in the basement and little tip of the hat, to 70s show. So I hope you guys love it. I loved directing it. I also acted in a few of them. So yeah, check it out. This is a little bit of a behind the scenes of what some of my days looked like. So Monday mornings are kind of my favorite because it's like everyone's setting everything up, or it's like nothing really completely out yet and everyone's building the sets, but it's kind of fun. Check this out. So our usual sets are always here. It's my little podium getting ready. Script supervisor. So in the morning I always come and hang out in the kitchen set and do my work. So this is what happens before you guys see the taping.
Good morning. I'm on the farm with my family, and thanks to 35G.
Big rig time. This is our jib arm.
Don't worry about the wattage.
It's only special camera arm. And action. All right, so we're doing a tip of the hat to the 70s opening with our 90s cast. So that'll be fun.
Quiet, please.
Set and action.
She was great. She called me at like 12 last night.
Thanks so much for watching. See you guys soon.